Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I am gonna show you guys cute and small stationery, so let's start. First pen is Pilot V7. Second pen, Frixion Clicker 07. Third pen, Uniball Air Micro. They both are same pens, but the body color is not same. These two are also same, but the ink is different. And also it is erasable pens. Sixth is Sharpie. Quick Dry. Next is Purple Highlighter. This has eraser and inbuilt sharpener. This is Notepad. And this is another Notepad, so cute. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.